This is Harriet. She's sniffing a tree. I don't know why, but she's doing her doggy thing because she's a dog. She's a dog. Harriet the dog. Harriet the dog. Harriet is a dog. Harriet the dog. Ah, come, 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 come. Come, come, come. What are you doing? No need to run and hide. It's a wonderful, wonderful life. No need to laugh and cry. It's a wonderful, wonderful life. Doggo, 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 doggo. Doggo, doggo, doggo. Doggo, doggo, doggo. Doggo, doggo, doggo. Doggo. Yeah, I'm working hard to get you a place where you'll have a big yard so you can run in without running into obstacles or other animals or bad people or any sort of problems. I work hard so my dog can have a better life.